Hello guys, so today we're gonna do TheyNotLikeUS trending viral design, which is really simple to make. So let's begin. So first of all, you need some text. You can add text whatever you like, usually maybe your firm logo, maybe your name, anything you like. So we're gonna use the trending name. So, yes. We're gonna use some letter spacing. We're gonna make it a little bit smaller. Let's use 90. Okay. We're gonna expand it a little bit. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add some elements. So we're gonna add shape. We're gonna do it like this. Cover all the text. Okay, nice. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna just press second button and we're gonna show layers, and we're gonna move TheyNotLikeUS in the front and click it and change color to white. So now you see, and you can arrange a little bit more. So what you're gonna do next, you're gonna copy it and download it to your PC. After that done, open new page, add TheyNotLikeUS. So now you have the text which you're gonna use it. You can crop it a little bit, as much as possible, so it's easier. Okay, so you're gonna go to elements, or you can upload your own picture, anything you like. For this, we're gonna use this tiger. We're gonna expand it a little bit more, and we're gonna send it to the back. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna edit this image and we're gonna remove background. When you remove background, it's gonna remove everything in between like this. And what you want to do next, you're gonna go to cherry and you want to do like this and like this. So now you have white text. You can do it even like this. You can make the tiger a little bit smaller. Okay, and now you can align the text as much as you like. And you're gonna say, oh, you cannot see letters or anything. No worries, we're gonna fix that just in the second. We're gonna add one more shape and we're gonna use different colors. So for this purposes, let's use this one. It looks nice, something similar. We're gonna add it here. We're gonna expand it. Later on, we're gonna fix it and we're gonna see how it's aligning. Send it to the back, and now you have text in the back. You have colors, and your final product looks like this. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.